Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Stoke Voltaics brand. Their electric kettle for fast boiling of water, coffee, tea, portable for travel, food cooking at a campsite, and hotels and home, and it has unique popcorn maker function. This is the really cool box it comes in. It's on display, and we're going to open this up and see what's inside here. So here's the product out of the box. This is powerful and versatile. It has a 500 watt heating element in there. Boil water in 5 minutes. You can see it's calibrated. It's got the in ounces and milliliter. 16 ounces of maximum level when you're doing cooking or water. And we're going to test out the popcorn function on here. If you look at the controls right here, you got the power switch. You have drinking, eating, and popcorn. Eating, it'll actually heat up and it'll keep the food warm. Drinking, it'll boil, then it'll shut down. Popcorn, it'll make the popcorn and then shut down. A really cool product. 500 watts is a lot of power, so it's fast, and it has this cool insulated piece on there with a handle and a stainless steel strap on there. And then the cover itself is a polyethylene cover, and it has ventilation holes and a drinking pouring spout and a little holder on there. And then the power to this device is a grounded power cord with a USA plug on there with a ground, and then a mating plug on here, which is going to go on the unit. And you open the back right here, you have a nice covered silicone port, and there's where you're going to apply power to the device. So this product is designed for the ultimate convenience. It's portable, electric kettle, features plug and play functionality, easy to clean, wide mouth as you see on here, and real simple to pour and filter or to drink. You have a choice right here of straining, so if you want to strain something, or pouring directly or drinking. Always be cautious, this is going to be hot. So it's constructed with lightweight aviation grade materials. This is all 304 stainless steel. Very nice quality, very smooth. It's not going to rust. It will not rust actually, and it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. So if you have any adventures outside, this is the great thing you want to bring. So you can elevate your outdoor trips to a movie night atmosphere thanks to the innovative popcorn function. Customize your popcorn with the preset temperature range of 188 to 220 degrees C or 356 to 428 Fahrenheit, and add your favorite ingredients for a personalized touch. There is safety electronics on here, so if you were to overheat this or run it without any liquid, it will shut down to protect it. So this is 500 watts, it weighs about 694 grams, the capacity is 16 ounces. It works with 100 and 120 volts, and it's about 7.48 inches high by 4.4 inches wide. So it's not very big for what it does. So the power cord plugs in right there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to just boil some water. I just measured the power cord. It is 5 feet long, which is nice, which is generous. And it's nice and flexible and easy to use. So here I have 16 ounces of water in there. It's right on the 16 ounce line. And we're going to turn the unit on. It's plugged in. And a little LED comes on right there. And it's in the drink mode. And let's just cover this up. Let's let this run. And just for interest of science, I'll just run a little timer to see how long this takes. So it's been about only 2 minutes. I have a thermal imaging camera, and if you look, see the red right there? That's showing that it's boiling really evenly. There's 3 minutes 38 seconds. You can hear it sizzling, and you can see steam forming on the top. And there you have it, less than 5 minutes, and it's been boiling. You can see right there, it's churning, boiling hot water, ready for you to make tea, coffee, or stew, or soup, whatever you're going to make with it. That was really fast. Now if you want to, you could switch it over to the eat function and turn it on, and it'll keep that water at a nice temperature if you're making soup or something, You can keep it nice and hot for you to have piping hot meal. Now we're going to make some popcorn. I have this set to the popcorn setting, and you kind of want to use the cover as a gauge. That's about what they're recommending. And then for that amount of popcorn, you want to put 2 teaspoons in of oil first. There's 1. There's 2. Because that's what's going to allow the popcorn to go into the oil. Now we're going to put the popcorn in. Just like that. Then we're going to put the cover on. And we're going to turn the unit on. Now it's in the popcorn mode. Let's just let this run, see what it does. And you can see the thermal gum shows that it is heating, starting to make the popcorn. You can see the steam releasing right there. So I think it's finished. Let's take a look right here. And there you go. So that measurement was really accurate because it's went right up to the top of the container. Let's taste this. Wow, it's really good. There you go, delicious popcorn. So after testing, what do I think about the Stoke Voltaics brand? Their electric kettle with 500 watts, quick boiling, all stainless steel inside, 16-ounce capacity, popcorn making function, insulation, all the settings that you're going to need, the heavy-duty power cord that rolls up and has Velcro on there, and the cover which has the strain capability or just pouring or drinking right from. Really cool product, unique. Never seen anything like this. I'm impressed. It worked really well. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.